Definition of some specific terms related to cost. Cost. Cost means the amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred on or attributable to a given thing. Thus, when any commodity is manufactured or some service is provided, the expenses incurred on the production or in providing services are included in the cost of that commodity or service. Cost represents resources that have been or must to be sacrificed to ascertain particular objective. Cost is the mandatory measure of the value of the economic services acquired by the firm. Costing. Costing is the technique and process of ascertaining cost. Every businessman wants to know the cost of item produced by his concern. The process or technique adopted by or for this purpose is known as costing. Big industrialists used written process for finding the cost, whereas the small concern may do so using mental calculation only. Thus, cost can be calculated by written or oral procedures. Costing is possible by the process of mental arithmetic also. Main difference between cost and costing is that costing is the process of finding cost, whereas cost is the outcome or result of this process. Cost accounting. The written procedure set on legal foundation for estimating the cost is known as cost accounting. Costing may be written or oral form. Costing may be in written or oral form, but cost accounting means only the written, scientific, and systematic process. Cost accounting has been defined. Cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost from the point at which expenditure is incurred or committed to the establishment of its ultimate relationship with cost centers and cost units. In its widest use, it includes the preparation of statistical data, the application of cost control methods, and the ascertainment of the profitability of activities carried out or planned. Cost accounting. Cost accountancy. Cost accountancy may be defined as the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods, and techniques to the science and art, and process of control and ascertainment of profitability. It includes the preparation of information derived They are formed for the purpose of managerial decision making. Thus, cost accounting is a process, whereas cost accountancy is the application of that process.